Hey guys, in this video we going to be checking out the 5 best travel first aid kit which are best in rating, pricing, and customer satisfaction. We have listed them, based on quality, price and features. If you want more information on the pricing mentioned on the product, you should check the links in the description below.
Outdoor safety is more than just keeping the bugs away. You need to be prepared for just about everything. That's why I recommend Coleman First Aid Kits, a conveniently sized line of first aid kits made for everything outdoors. Whether it's soccer with the kids or your next outdoor adventure, from the top of Mount Everest to the North and South Poles and everywhere in between, now more than ever, Coleman First Aid will keep you safe and protected. People often ask me what the single most important gear item is on any of my expeditions, and for me, the answer is simple: a first aid kit. Coleman is proud to introduce the unique new pocket-sized first aid tins. These retro-reusable brushed metal tins are filled with the most commonly used first aid components, making them handy little items to keep in your car, throw in your child's sports bag, or add to your camping gear. The all-new Coleman tins are all-purpose outdoor essentials designed for personal survival and fishing. The nostalgic brushed metal tin is crush-resistant and 100% recyclable. The tins contain all the most commonly used first aid components and are perfect size to keep in your car, backpack, tackle box, or sports bag. For more heavy-duty camping and hiking, Coleman offers the Coleman Expedition First Aid Kit with an expanded inventory of the most commonly used first aid components. The Coleman Sportsman Waterproof First Aid Kit is a 100-piece kit that glows in the dark for easy identification. The waterproof, crush-proof case floats and is ideal for camping, hunting, and fishing. From the top of Mount Everest to the North and South Poles and everywhere in between, now more than ever, Coleman First Aid will keep you safe and protected.
Get smart, be prepared, whether at work, in a construction site, or at school, with our excellent Be Smart, Get Prepared OSHA ANSI IC kits in durable plastic that are wall-mountable for easy access. Our kits feature thoughtfully organized multi-compartments, tilting shelves. Kits are versatile, exceeding the required standards, able to handle almost all emergencies. Our kits make it easy for you to clean, treat, and protect wounds, cuts, scrapes, and burns with comprehensive first aid solutions. This kit also features a high-visibility glow label so you can easily find your kit in the dark. This meets and exceeds ANSI IC Z308.1 2009 guidelines. Give your employees the confidence of knowing they are safe and secure in their environment with our 326-piece OSHA ANSI First Aid Kit. You can be smart, get prepared all day, every day.
There's nothing like having your adventure halted by an accident. Luckily, you brought a first aid kit, but sadly not all kits make the cut. During an emergency, you need a companion that guides you. Introducing the surviveware Small First Aid Kit. 600D polyester ripstop material. Heavy-duty zippers designed to protect your supplies. With premium quality internal supplies. A durable and compact first aid kit, perfect for hiking, backpacking, and outdoor adventures. Its many features make it the perfect companion on your outdoor adventure. Great for travel. Straps to almost anything. Great for at home or the workshop. Water resistant to prevent damage. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety.
Need a first aid kit that meets and exceeds OSHA and ANSI standards? Rapid Care First Aid's 81131 Premium 25-person unitized first aid kit exceeds OSHA and ANSI standards and comes with 130 pieces. We've got an easy-to-install detachable wall mount, which includes mounting hardware. And to make things simple, we've organized contents into unitized color-coded boxes. It's tough, it's durable, it's reliable, it's Rapid Care First Aid.
This is the PrimaCare 25-person medium emergency preparedness first aid kit. It's perfect for office, home or school. It's a heavy-duty case that's also lightweight. Also comes with a handle that allows you to wall mount. Your first aid kit will come sealed so that you know that it's not been tampered with. It has quick release but secure latches. On the inside, it has 157 pieces of first aid equipment, including a basic first aid guide, latex gloves, antiseptic towelettes, an instant cold pack, different sterile gauze pads, alcohol and iodine prep pads, sting and bite pads, triple antibiotic ointment, ammonia, aspirin, first aid burn cream, tape, different sizes of bandages, tweezers, cotton-tipped application pads, and tongue depressors.
We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comments section.